Structural engineering. Structural engineering is essentially the science of anticipating how structures such as buildings and bridges will stay standing. Structural engineers use maths, geometry and physics to make sure structures will cope with their shape, weight and materials as well as environmental factors like the weather and the ground they're built on. Consequently, the College of Contract Management has developed a live online structural engineering course in line with the Institution of Civil Engineers (ISE). We are the only online UK provider of an advanced diploma in structural engineering. Above all, this award fully satisfies the educational requirements you need to apply to become an engineering technician (EngTech) member of the ISE. The advanced diploma alone could land you a position in industry, or you may wish to top up your qualification to a full degree. Whatever you choose, this qualification is your first step on the path to a rewarding career.